The mobile trailer food truck is a new food experience that allows you to enjoy delicious food in every corner of the city. The dining car is not only stylish in appearance, but also has all the facilities inside, equipped with advanced kitchen equipment and ample storage space. Professional design team, all can be customized, can also provide you with 2D and 3D design, so that your idea's more three-dimensional. Its flexibility and portability make it possible to serve people with food on different occasions, so that every customer can enjoy a delicious meal. The emergence of mobile trailer food trucks makes our lives more colorful, so that we can enjoy a variety of food in the hustle and bustle of the city. Please contact us for more information.